Carbon stock refers to the amount of carbon stored in various ecosystems. It is crucial for combating climate change by absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. How much carbon do you think your local forest or green space stores? Let's find out today. Welcome to MapOG, an innovative platform to do such analysis. Here is our final output map. We've visualized carbon stock with bubbles of different sizes and colors. Large green-colored bubbles indicate higher carbon stock, which means these areas store more carbon and help mitigate climate change. Small gray-colored bubbles indicate lower carbon stock, showing regions that store less carbon and might need more conservation efforts. We have also added a legend to explain the color coding. This detailed color coding enhances the map's readability, making it easier to understand. Labels are shown on the bubbles to display the carbon stock values, which are in million tons. Let's see the process. First, we open the MapOG Map Analysis interface. Then go to Add Upload from menu toolbar. Next, select Upload CSV or Excel file. Browse and select your CSV or Excel file and click Upload. After that, select the type of data you have in the Excel file uploaded. Here you get three options: latitude and longitude, WKT and address, or geocode. We choose the latitude and longitude. Now, click Publish. Once the data is uploaded, we give a suitable name and description to the untitled map from Edit Map Name and then hit Save Map. Next, it's time to style it. Go to Style Data and choose Bubble Style. First, select the layer, then choose Bubble Circle. Although bubble icon is an option, Bubble Circle is preferred for this work. Choose the attribute for styling, which in this case is the carbon stock value. Adjust the size and minimum values as needed and customize the color. After all selections, click Save Style. Now, your data is styled successfully. To make the map more informative, go to the Action button and switch on the Show Legend button. The legend now displays, making it easy to understand the color coding. For a more interactive map, go to Style Data again, choose Label feature, then select the layer and the carbon stock feature. Choose the font size and color as per your choice and click Submit. Now, the values of carbon stock are labeled on the map, enhancing interactivity. Now, the map displays a clear and interactive representation of carbon stock, with 4 different colors indicating varying levels of carbon storage. This map is beneficial for several industries, including pollution control, environmental conservation, and climate change mitigation. It helps in identifying key areas for preservation, sustainable land management, and planning green spaces and carbon offset projects. Thanks for joining us on this journey. We hope this visualization has provided you with valuable insights. Visit MapOG today for more possibilities. Contact us at support@mapog.com for further assistance.